Panel is back with us now. Diana Tennis, I'm going to go right to you. What about the fact that the judge starts the day by saying, I'm not going to let you get anything in or talk about sexual abuse by George Anthony or Lee Anthony? Were you surprised?
No, in fact, I thought the glass was half full. I was shocked that he let them talk about the drowning, honestly, because there really wasn't an iota of evidence. If they had that kind of evidence, then every single family that's got a pool and a child dies, you get to argue drowning. So I was surprised the judge gave them that. I thought that Baez did a pretty good job, given the box he'd put himself in with opening, and given the fact that he's not a particularly great organized speaker. I thought he made some really good points. I wish that they had been condensed into about 2 hours, because when Cheney Mason quoted To Kill a Mockingbird, I was thinking Mr. Smith Goes to Washington and that filibuster.
Okay, but here's the problem. We don't have that much time, and there's so much to talk about. Mark, was it a good idea for Jose Baez to refer to his own client as a lying, no-good slut?
Absolutely. I do that in all my cases. Seriously. It's obvious that that's what she is. Even when they're dudes. No, obviously, you need to deal with the gorilla in the room, call her out on it, say she is a lying slut. However, she's not a murderer.
Okay, and what about the fact, Bob Massi, that they tried to get in a photograph of her that was 10 years old? I mean, is Baez crazy or smart like a fox?
Yeah, you are obviously, I don't understand how he thought he was going to get it by this particular judge, that's for sure. It was, to me, from an evidentiary perspective, pretty amateur, and obviously, again, that didn't help him. But you know what, I got to tell you, Judge, I mean, I thought the guy, he was not the greatest on presentation of some of his evidence. He had some problems. But I think the guy did okay pretty much with what he has to deal with. He doesn't have a lot to deal with, really.
Well, but Anna, did he do okay?
If you looked at what he said in a microcosm, and if you didn't put it together with the actual evidence that went into the trial, because I think that Jeff Ashton's going to get back up there and be able to slam, a home run with every single point. Because there's a picture for a sliding glass door, that equals accidental drowning. And, you know, the one thing to go back to, I'm not surprised that Judge Perry let the accidental drowning stuff in. This is a murder one case, and it's actually great for the prosecution, because now they can rebut it and show that that was disproven.
Okay, all right. Listen, we will come back.